Hello. As you see, we developed the Sony hand grip, full grip, this one from last year until now. Right now, we already have many different model, different version. At first stage, we try to make the semi-mass market one, but I think it's too normal, so we just try to make another one. So this one is, I show you the new version. Is this one can come out and it can let you hold your hand. And finally, we found this structure. This design is not that good, so we keep working and have another different three type. Every type we modify more and more. So you see, you have many different one. Until now, this is the most suitable for myself. I think this is okay, can be launched in the market. So we just decided for this version. And in next month, we will have the side one, side frame two, but not like this. This is we buy in the market. My new one is very cool, so please wait me for 2 months. Okay, thank you so much.